Home insurance in LaBelle, Florida. Before buying home insurance quotes, you need to have knowledge about various types of insurances available according to the coverages. You need to select insurance according to coverage you want. If you select insurance that have all coverages available but you don't need them, that will just cost you much. So you can select cheaper insurance if you don't have any knowledge about the insurance coverages available. There are 3 types of coverages are available in home insurance. You can select best one that can provide you total satisfaction and help in all ways in protecting your home. 1. Property coverage. This type of coverage is available for property damage and damage to your home. This includes various items like furniture, personal belonging, and clothes, etc. Every insurance company covers different items in this insurance. So you must check before buying insurance. If any item that is unnecessary for you, then you can deduct that item and get a rebate. 2. Liability coverage. It will cover all types of damages whomever caused that damage. In this type of insurance there are no deductibles available because it covers all types of damages on everything that is under the personal liability insurance. This type of insurance is very costly. If you are responsible and don't have children, then you don't need this types of insurance. Try to avoid this type of insurance. But some people who have valuable things in their home prefer to buy this of insurance. 3. Home business coverage. General insurance don't cover your home business damages. For that you need to buy specific insurance. There are many types of home business insurance coverages are available. Homeowner coverage insurance can provide you all facilities, but you need to check for surety for buying this insurance. You can get info about the coverage available through the agent. Before buying an online insurance, you need to know what types of insurance coverage is available to you. Insurance companies calculate their insurance premium amount on the basis of information provided by you. So try to select same option while comparing insurance quotes. Agents can tell you what type of insurance coverage are good for you and how can you get this cheaper. You can get details and help from civil engineer. He can tell your home details and can tell you what can help in home insurance. You should confirm your builder before buying insurance. Sometimes they have group insurance of all building.